distinction.
Don Louis Alvarez.
Siyempre, isang magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Hi! Hello! Salamat po kay Ma'am Tina sa pagpapakilala. At siyempre po, unang-una sa lahat, siyempre, congratulations sa ating mga kasama dito ngayon, sa ating mga estudyante na nagkapakagaling at nagpakita ng kanilang kagalingan, kahuwaran ng edukasyon, at syempre sa ating faculty na talaga naman pong kasama at laging sumasbaybay sa ating mga estudyante.
Campo Jean Carl F. High honors. He will also receive the following awards: Inter-Private Volleyball Boys Champion, Municipal Meet Volleyball Boys First Runner-Up, Service Award, and Conduct Award. Legaspi Rafael Kyle M. with high honors.
Outstanding performance in Araling Panlipunan, Outstanding Performance in Filipino, Conduct Award, First Placer Junior High School Category, Araling Panlipunan Quiz B Synergy 2024. Neva Ayan Wins I with high honors. De la Cruz Audrey Natalie C. with high honors and conduct award. Eugenio Liana Angelica B. with high honors. Española Cheska Munir with high honors. Mascardo Kiel Stefan A. with high honors.
With academic distinction and service award.
Kaya kayo mga apat.
Lamberto Jean Paul I. with academic distinction and service award. Emilia Joven D. with academic distinction and service award.
Last one. Thank you.
Santos Erich C. with academic distinction. Cabog Elijah Vincent S. with honors, first runner-up. Doliantes RJC with honors.
Okay, ready? Look here. 3, 2, 1.
Dawson Dave B. with honors, Inter-Private Volleyball Boys Champion, Municipal Meet Volleyball Boys First Runner-Up.
Okay, ready guys? In 3, 2, 1.
Matilio Cello Santino D. with honors, Service Award, Inter-Private Volleyball Boys Champion, Municipal Meet Volleyball Boys First Runner-Up. With honors, Service Award, Inter-Private Volleyball Boys Champion, Municipal Meet Volleyball Boys First Runner-Up.
Okay, ready? Close it together. 3, 2, 1. One more. Dito po sa akin. Thank you.
Abayan Rizalin S. with honors. Mabuhay Nicole with honors.
Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1. Smiling.
Aliva Andrea S. with honors.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Thank you.
Torres Angela C. with honors.
Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1. Smiling.
Perdida Asia Elaine V. with honors.
Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1. One more. Thank you.
Villegas Angeline P. with honors.
Okay, ready, Tita? Look here. Tita, look here. One more. Thank you.
Abidosa Aiden
ready?
Sean
Three, two,
O.
one.
with high honors.
Thank you.
Service Award, Inter-Private Volleyball Boys Champion, Municipal Meet Volleyball Boys First Runner-Up, Second Placer Junior High School Category Science Quiz Week, Synergy 2024.
Okay, ready, guys? Wait for the award. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1.
Ilio Lian A.
One more.
with high honors. He will also receive the following awards: Outstanding Performance in Science, Outstanding Performance in ELE, Service Award, Outstanding Performance in English, and Outstanding Performance in Math.
Hey. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1.
Salon Senior DUNC with high honors. Conduct Award, Outstanding Performance in Values Education.
Ready? In 3,
Ayala P. with high honors, service award, inter-private volleyball girls champion, municipal meet volleyball girls first runner-up.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. One more.
Peloteo Athena Gabriel S. with high honors and conduct award. Last advisor, Mr. Benjamin Orozco
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Jr.
One more.
Na?
Grade 11 account.
Ganda namin, oh. Diba?
Kamusta po ang hirap? Maraming salamat po, Lord.
Ano ulit sa grade na? Parang kailan lang?
May mga pinata na kami.
Congrats sa atin kasi papanatili natin na tayo ay high honors. Alam mo si Lydia, no? Pag na mag-blow up to.
Masisipag silang mag-aaral.
Siguro magdadala yan sa atin ng pansin.
Sila din ang panahon sa kanya. Sila ang karangalan ng sa mundo.
Oo, di ba?
Sila na yung guest speaker. Kayo na yung guest speaker dyan.
Talaga. Mag-aral mabuti. At ayun po, pauwi na po kami. At gutom na kami. Yan. Tapos na po ang aming palihirap ngayon noon. Okay.
Grade 10 na sila.
Waiting na sila. Ayan. Andonya. Na napaka-cute. Napaka-cute niya. Tuntua talaga ako sa kanya. Okay, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. A like would be appreciated. Subscribe. Sweet Music Lady, your Carton Diva.